Marga. This is Marga in the front here. With the Animal Rescue League of New Hampshire and Bedford. And she's here with her sister Rita. And they're a couple of quiet girls looking to live in a quiet home. Together, of course. They're sisters. Always been together all their 3 years. Huh? So, Marga, you're not quite sure of this whole thing, are you? I'm sorry. Is this awful scary? All right. Or just say goodbye. Okay. Good girl, Marga. Bye-bye, Rita. Marga just jumped up and got right in your way, didn't she, Rita? That's okay. This is Marga's video. You've got yours, don't you? No, you don't. You need one, too. Okay. You're next, Rita. Bye-bye.